Hey, what is up guys? John here at TEMU. Welcome to the channel. So today we're going to be taking a look at the Rythflo RY-AC01 Open Ear Headphones. So these style headphones have been pretty popular within the last year. There's a lot of different brands that have these styles. These headphones are perfect for those activities where you still need to hear your surroundings, like if you're out cycling, jogging, or even just walking around your neighborhood. So if you're wanting to still enjoy your music while you're doing those activities, this style headphone is going to be perfect for that. So just a heads up, Rythflo did send these out to me to try out, so big shout out to them for doing that. It's very much appreciated, but as always, this is an independent review. They had no part in the making of this video. So now in this video, we're going to unbox these, we're going to see what we get inside the box, we're going to check out the build quality, and more importantly, we're going to see how they fit in sound, and I'll let you know what I think of them. Alright guys, so they come in this white box with the Rythflo branding up top on the right there. We've got open ear headphones. We've got a picture of the headphones here. Nothing on this side, nothing on that side. Got some Rythflo branding up on the top. So on the back side, we've got some specs. And if you want to pause the video here and take a look at those, you can do that now. All right, so let's open these up and see what we get inside. All right, first thing, you get the user manual. And you get a little thank you card. Thank you for choosing our product. Very cool. You get a USB-A to USB-C charging cable. All right, guys, so this is the case. We've got some Rythflo branding up top there. And we've got the USB port on the back here, USB-C port for charging. And it is made out of a hard plastic material. Feels pretty hollow. You're not going to want to drop these, so be careful with that if you do pick these up. And inside, we've got the headphones. All right, guys, so these are the headphones. Again, these are the over-ear style. The little piece just wraps around your ear. And we've got some Rythflo branding on the sides on both of them. On the insides here, we've got your speaker. That's covered with a got aluminum grill. That's your charging pins. And that's on both sides. And you do get some left and right branding. Hopefully you guys can see that. These are the left ones. And then these are the right. Very cool. And I like the small details like that because it just makes them feel more premium. And also the case has that little green LED light. So it shows that you have power. All right, so going over the build quality on these, it's mainly a rubber design. This part here is all made out of rubber, so they're not gonna break. And the actual headphone is a hard plastic, but they feel rugged. I don't think they would get damaged if you drop these. All right, guys, so let's pair these up so we can see how they fit and sound. All right, so you take them out, start flashing red and blue, means they're in pairing mode. Now make sure you got Bluetooth on your phone, and there you go, it sees it. Now hit connect. And we are connected. Now, anytime you want to use these, you just got to put them on and they will automatically connect. All right, guys, that's how they look. The speakers are just right outside your ear canal. So far they feel good. I don't feel any kind of pinching anywhere. They don't mess with my glasses. So yeah, let's see how they sound. So I've got it about 50% volume. Playing some old Snoop, Gin and Juice. Yo, vocals are very clear. All right, so yeah, these sound really, really good, guys. Now, obviously, they're not gonna have the bass like the in-ear canal designs, but for what they are, yo, they sound really good. They are nice and clear. And then you can still hear your surroundings. Yeah, guys, these sound really good. I wish there was a way for me to have you guys experience this, because they're really good. So guys, these are going to be perfect for those times where you're doing an activity, but you still want to hear your surroundings. These are going to be perfect for that. They sound really good. I think for podcast, for where vocals are mainly what you hear, these are going to be really good. Because again, they're not super bass heavy, but yeah, they get the job done, I think. So let's test out the microphone. Let's see how these sound. Hey, what is up guys? John here at TEMU. We're doing a quick mic check on the Rythflo RYAC01 over ear headphones. Let me know what I sound like. Let me know if we're coming through clear. Are they any good? Let me know down in the comments, guys. All right, guys, so let's go over some of the specs real quick. So we've got 8 hours of playtime on a single charge and up to 24 hours of playtime when using the case to charge. Plus you've got a quick 7-minute charge that provides about an hour and a half of battery. And guys, as far as build quality goes, these are IPX7 waterproof. So if you are using these outside and it starts to rain on you, they're not going to get damaged. They're going to be okay for that. Or if you use these in the gym, get sweat on them, they're going to be okay as well. Now these are rocking Bluetooth 5.4, so one of the more newer versions of Bluetooth. So that's going to provide you a nice solid connection. And as far as fit goes, I didn't have any problems wearing them, and they're super lightweight. But I'll do a follow-up and we'll see how they feel when I'm using them for more than, a few hours. All right, as far as pricing on these guys, they're coming in right around $100, but there is a $30 coupon on Amazon. So it's gonna put these closer to 70. And I think for that price point, I think these are a solid pickup. Again, these are gonna be great for those times where you're doing an activity, but you still need to hear your surroundings. These are gonna be perfect for that. So that's going to be it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for hanging out with me today. As always, I'm John at TEMU. I'll see you in the next one.